Agba, an ancient community in Abeokuta, was agog as dignitaries from all walks of life converged to witness the turbaning and conferment of chieftaincy title on illustrious sons who have contributed immensely to the development of the Oba Muslim community. In a sermon entitled Your Role as Chieftain, the Chief Imam Onírèké Central Mosque Alhaji Imam Saheed Abdulsalam admonished the new celebrants to be patient, humble, and continue to assist in the cause of Allah. The Chief Imam of a Muslim community, Alhaji Alim Maruf Alani, said the ceremony is a symbol of honor and canvassed for more service to humanity.
I plead to you all to see this as a trust from your Lord, and He commands you to fulfill the trust accordingly. Your chieftaincy should not be seen as an autocratic title in the Muslim community.
The awardees and celebrants, including a former governor of Ogun State, Aremo Olusegun Oshoba, and his deputy, Segun Adesegun, promised their support for the upliftment of the Islam in Oba community.
We have discussed a lot before turbaning, the ways out, and how are we going to achieve all this. We have discussed it all together, and I'm very sure they are all ready. And they have, when you look at Imam's selection of all these the positions, he knows who he believes that are ready, that they are capable.
13 prominent sons of Agoba community benefited from the chieftaincy titles and turbaning awards. In Abeokuta, Seyi Ogunbayo, NTA News.